Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying these guides, these reference guides for builds, best builds. All right, there's no best build out there. All right, we all got our different tastes. I just saw in a group someone saying that Sony does the best TVs. I mean, that's like me saying that Nissan does the best cars. There's no best builds. We all got different tastes. All builds got different functions. Some have one add-on, some have two, some have even 30 or even 100 video add-ons. Anyway, so this one is my recommended non-Debrid builds. All right. Freedom, you guys know Freedom is one of the best non-Debrid builds on this channel. Cinema, Just Scrubs. I'm going right through it right now. Night Owl, I quite like Night Owl. It's very fast. To me, it's like the build of the year. It's changed. The skin has changed from how it was before. Before it was all clunky and slow. This one, you still have to let it load up. But once it loads up, it's like, wow. It's good. Badass Women. I haven't played with that for a while, so I don't know. But I like Badass Women, so that's that. Fire Stick That. Can I remember that? No, but it is Non-Debrid. Okay. Non-Debrid is great. I think it's like a one-page build. It's just there. It doesn't take ages to load up and stuff like that. And Traitors is one of the best reality shows, especially in the UK. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.